On the day of the cat show, Snicklefritz was very excited. He wanted to win first prize so Granny would be proud. For the first part of the contest, the cats stood in their most perfect poses. Pickles, the plump Persian, postured pleasantly. Saffron, the sleek Siamese, stood still as a statue. And then there was Snicklefritz. For the second part, the cats paraded in single file. But Snicklefritz thought this was too easy. The audience laughed and clapped, but the judges just didn't get his jokes. Now came time for the talent showcase. 20 and 20 danced a delightful pas de deux. But it was Snicklefritz who stole the show, playing hairballs of fur on the piano. Everybody loved it, even the judges. Then a judge stood up to announce the winners.
Third prize goes to Toity the tabby. Second prize is awarded to Saffron. And the first prize ribbon goes to Pickles the Persian.
Snicklefritz wished that he had won, but he clapped for Pickles too. Then the judge spoke up once more.
This year we've added a special prize that goes to the silliest cat. And the prize goes to Snicklefritz!
Granny was proud indeed. And when they walked home together, she told him, Kitty, cat show or no cat show, I love you